Hi everyone, it's Nonna Grace, and I'm from Western New York. Today I'm going to put a little video in of me making a caplet. I had to think. I wanted to call it a wiglet, but it's actually a caplet. And I'm wearing it, and you'll see in the video why I wanted to make it and how I made it. I still have to get more clips, and I don't have enough clips in it yet. I've got 3 and it needs a couple more to make it feel more secure on my head. And I'm keeping the little extra piece that came off because it will make a nice little bangs for me if I wanted to wear a hat or a headband. And it would look cute underneath the motorcycle helmet, that's for sure. So let's just go to the video. I want to make a wig topper, which is this right here, hers. And I had bought one, and this is what it ended up costing me to buy one. But the crown was terrible, so I watched a video on how to do it. So I'm going to show you how to do it. And because I don't have a regular wig form, I'm going to use my girl here. Oh, somebody cut her hair? Oh dear.
It looks like it.
That's not good.
Paige's braids got pulled a little tight, apparently.
I don't know. But anyways, what you do is you take your wig. I'm going to take a wig and I'm going to make it. You turn the wig inside out. And because I want to keep the tabs, I'm going to cut just below the tabs. I'm going to cut probably one, maybe I'll do 2 below. I'll cut this way so that that tab is secure. And then you follow and you cut each one of these, but you got to be very careful you don't cut the hair. So I'm going to put her on here. And the reason you want it on a wig form is so you can stretch it. Here comes Mr. Jim. Okay. You want to bring it as close as you can. And because I want the tab, see the ear tab? I want the ear tab. And so what you'll do is well, I don't know if that disconnects there.
Oh, the elastic.
I'm going to take this elastic, undo the elastic. I don't need this. This is how they size the head. And I'm going to cut that off because I won't need that. So that's gone.
No turning back now.
No, that's for sure. And then I'm going to go, not here, but I'm going to go one below that one. And you got to make sure you just get the elastic and you don't cut the hair. So I'm going to
go ahead and angle that way.
There it is. Okay. Cut that. Okay, now you want to cut the next one that's there. And then the next one. And then the next one. We'll turn her head. Oh, she's getting loose. They used a, you want to hold it, thank you. They had pins that they would stick in it to keep it tight, but I don't have pins. You can't put pins in her head. She's a mannequin.
Oh, that's true. The mannequin wouldn't hold them.
No. Okay, now I have to take the elastic off of this side. Undo it. And cut this elastic off, because we won't be needing that. And then finish cutting the last elastic that is there. And it's done. And there's my topper. Now you're supposed to sew. I'm going to go try it on and see if I like it first before I continue. And then you sew clips on.
You almost have a man's toupee left with what's left over.
Now, this is what you have left over. You want some fake bangs?
I was going to say those.
Okay, now I've got to sew the clips in. After you snip the wig, you have these clips that you have to put in. You're supposed to put 4 in, but Jessica only had 3 that she could find. So I'll put 2 in the front and 1 in the back for now, because it really should be 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Okay, now it's recording.
Now it's recording. Okay.
Okay. For those of you, am I in the camera?
Yep.
Okay, for those of you that wondered why I want a topper, well, first of all, it's cooler. It gives you my hair on the bottom. I could actually pull my hair up. It's cooler. I don't know if you can tell the difference or not.
It blends right in.
Blends right in. Well, that's good. Thank you, Jessica.
You're welcome.
And goodbye, girls. Can you imagine? I had to pay that much for the little caplet. You can buy a whole wig for that price. And I ended up with a wig, a caplet, and an extra piece. And that extra piece would have cost me a fair amount of money if I would have had to buy that too. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will talk to you all again tomorrow. See you then. Bye-bye.